So, how to create a high converting sales page for my affiliate marketing course, how to create sales page for an ebook or something else like collect emails and do it completely for free. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. And let's begin. So, first thing you want to do, you want to go to system.io, register. After that, as you can see, you get 2000 contacts, uh, slots, you get sales funnels, you have sales funnel steps, blogs, courses, digital store, and products, and so on. A lot of more just completely for free. So after you're done registering, you go to sites, sales funnel. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna press here in the top right corner, create. As you can see straight away, let's type in test. You can select building audience, like collecting emails, do the sales page, run evergreen webinar or custom. Let's do custom, press save. After that, we press in here and start creating. As you can see, we don't have any steps. So let's add up our first step. First step, it's gonna be, let's name it test. Choose the type. So let's do sales page. Press here, start from the scratch. Press save. And straight away we can edit the page. So we go in here. And as you can see, you can do selections, you can insert checkboxes, form inputs, and so on. But for this purpose, we're gonna do raw HTML with zero coding. So for that part, we're gonna use ChatGPT. So let's dive in. So here in the chat, we copy this prompt. I'm gonna leave it in the description also. As you can see, it leaves blank. And you can fill in what's the brand name, primary brand colors, YouTube video links, navigation links, CTA, and so on. After you're done answering the questions, it will generate you HTML code. So here you have HTML code. You press copy. Scroll down here in system.io. Press raw HTML and drag it here. Press it on the code. Edit the code. Select this one. Delete it. Press Ctrl V and press save. After that, as you can see, it generated you the page looking like this. So for example, press here program, it's drop down to program, press bonuses, drops down more, FAQ. As you can see, it's interactive. You press the button, answer your questions, and even have start now button. So how to edit the HTML code for this one? You go back to system.io, press it here. And for example, let's say we want to insert the link into the start now for 7:10. So we copy this one, go back to editor, press edit the code, press somewhere here on HTML, press Ctrl F, and copy the text here. So as you can see, it's here, the link. So for example, let's insert our YouTube link so you can see that it works. And you can do it to your sales page or to your email sequence for the next page. So you press save. You press here in the top for the preview. It open up. So for example, let's say people press here to get instant access. It drops down here and we press start here. People press it and it opens new link. Welcome back, my friend, to Toolbox. For this purposes, it was my main YouTube channel page. It can be anything you like for your funnel. So the first step is done. You press here, save, exit the page, and now you have first step. You can add a next step. So let's say test 2. And it's going to be thank you page. Press save. And as you can see, it's give you templates to choose from. You can select it, or again, you can create with ChatGPT all the sales page, and it can create you sales funnel. Same HTML code. You don't have to put anything. Just edit the links, and stuff like that. So I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, you can always leave in the comments, and I'm gonna answer it or just create video for you. So see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.